Hi students, welcome to my channel Smart Street. Now in this video we will see some of the most important questions based on differentiation by substitution. Now when do we use substitution for differentiation? Mostly ये जो inverse trigonometric functions होता है, these functions can be easily differentiated by using suitable substitution. So here I have solved few important questions. So I'll explain these questions one by one so that concept will be more clear to you. Okay. Now here is the first question. We have to differentiate y is equal to cos inverse root of 1 plus x upon 2. Okay. Now remember two important trigonometry formula which are used very often. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Now here we have theta, तो इसका half angle हो जाएगा, ठीक है. If we have 1 plus cos theta, then it is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Whatever is the angle, half of that. Now here we have 1 plus x. So if we put x equal to cos 2 theta, okay, then from here 2 theta is cos inverse x and theta becomes half cos inverse x. Okay, now this value of theta we will use last May when we have to replace the value of theta. Okay, now we have y is equal to cos inverse root of 1 plus x is cos 2 theta upon 2. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square, जो भी theta है उसका half. यहाँ पे instead of theta we have 2 theta, so half will be theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta divided by 2. 2 cancel हो गया, so we have y is equal to cos inverse square root of cos square theta is cos theta, so y simply becomes theta. Now here we need to replace theta. Theta is half cos inverse x, so y becomes half cos inverse x. So dy by dx will be cos inverse x का derivative है minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, so minus 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. Okay. So whenever we have expression of this form 1 plus x या 1 minus x, simply put x equal to cos 2 theta. We can also put x equal to cos theta, but we'll get this theta by 2. Fraction avoid करने के लिए we are using cos 2 theta. So that 1 plus cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square 2 theta का half, it will be theta. Okay, so here we have put x as cos 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So 2 cos square theta by 2. So y becomes simply cos inverse of cos theta, which is theta. Okay. Let's see the next question. Y is tan inverse x upon 1 plus root of 1 minus x square. We have to find dy by dx. Now here if we put x as sin theta, theta will be sin inverse x. So y क्या हो जाएगा? Y will be tan inverse, numerator will be sin theta upon 1 plus root of 1 minus x is sin theta. So x square will be sin square theta. Okay, so tan inverse, this will be sin theta upon 1 plus root of 1 minus sin square theta is root of cos square theta, which will be cos theta. Now this is tan inverse. Now sin theta को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, because sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Here we have sin theta, so half angle formula we will use. Sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 whole upon 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Now 2 cancel हो गया and 1 cos theta gets cancelled, so we have tan inverse, numerator में बच गया sin theta by 2 upon denominator we have cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 will be tan theta by 2. So y is tan inverse tan theta by 2, which is simply theta by 2. Now what is theta? Theta is sin inverse x, so y बन गया half sin inverse x. Now we can differentiate this, so dy by dx will be 1 by 2 into derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square is dy by dx. Okay. So by using substitution, by using suitable substitution, we can easily differentiate these inverse trigonometric functions. So ये inverse trigonometric functions को direct differentiation नहीं करना है, use suitable substitution, and कहाँ पे कौन सा substitution लगाना है वो mostly question देख के पता चल जाता है. With enough practice you will understand easily कि substitution कौन सा use करना है. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पे sin theta डाला, so y becomes sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and नीचे बन गया 2 cos square theta by 2. So tan theta by 2 मिलेगा, tan inverse tan cancel हो जाएगा, so theta by 2. So this you can if you practice you will understand easily कि substitution कहाँ पे कौन सा लगेगा. Okay, so by trial and error you can easily find out the suitable substitution which you have to use. Okay, so let's see the next question. Y equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now we remember three important formulas: sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta का formulas in terms of tan theta. So sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. इसके अलावा there is one more formula which is 2 sin theta cos theta, which we did in the previous question. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So these three important formulas you have to remember: sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta ka formula in terms of tan theta. Okay, now here we have 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So put x as tan theta, theta will be tan inverse x. So y क्या हो जाएगा? Y will be sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus denominator will be tan square theta. So sin inverse, what is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? It is cos 2 theta. So y बन गया sin inverse cos 2 theta. Now we need sin here, so use complementary angle. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So y equal to sin inverse cos 2 theta can be written as sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now y becomes pi by 2 minus 2 theta and theta क्या था? Tan inverse x. Okay, because x को हमने tan theta डाला था, so theta is tan inverse x. So y is pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now this can be easily differentiated. dy by dx will be, pi by 2 is constant, so its derivative is 0. Tan inverse x का derivative होता है 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx will be minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. ठीक है? Now here is the next question. Y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Now here put x as tan theta. Theta will be tan inverse x. So y will be tan inverse 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now 1 को हम लोग लिखेंगे tan pi by 4. Okay, so tan inverse of this is tan pi by 4 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta can be written as 1 into tan theta. 1 is again tan pi by 4. So 1 minus tan theta को हमने लिखा है tan pi by 4 tan theta. Now if you look at this carefully, if you consider pi by 4 as a and theta as b, this is of the form tan inverse of tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b, which is nothing but tan of a plus b, tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, so tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this becomes tan pi by 4 plus theta. So y is finally pi by 4 plus theta, which is pi by 4 plus theta is tan inverse x. So pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. Now dy by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so ये MCQ में आ गया. So always remember, if you have an expression like this 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, this can be directly written as tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, so tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus theta, so which will be pi by 4 plus theta, and then you can differentiate this easily. So I will do more questions on inverse trigonometric functions in the next video. I hope you have understood all the questions. अगर कुछ भी doubt है, do let me know in the comment section. And if you have any specific doubts in any topic, you can ask me in the comment section. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.